My dad, Albert DeBay, was the gardener in our family, and he used to have a big garden. He'd have potatoes, the reds, the whites, the purples, and mostly the little blue ones, or the red ones, small potato, would be cooked with fish. And I remember he had a separate patch on the hill for potatoes. And he said to me one day, Maureen, he said, I'd like you to get a can, and I'm going to put some kerosene oil in it. And he said, I want you to go pick off the potato bugs. So I did. He said, I'll give you a penny. I said, okay. So I went with my can, and I picked and picked and picked. And I got my penny. Then I could walk over to Andy Parker's and I could get me some candy. Cabbage. The cabbage, Dad would pull them and leave the root on, and he would hang them down in the root cellar by that root. Up he'd have nails and hang them up on the beams underneath. And they seemed to keep, too. Turnips, beets, peas, pole beans. For the beans or peas, they would save some of them from year to year. They would dry them and save them. Big beans, I know they were pole beans, but they were like a flat scarlet runners bean. I used to have those, because Mom would make beans, a pot of beans out of those. Pumpkin, carrots, parsnip, cukes. The garden was very important in our family for Dad and Mom, because they had a big family. There was 9 children, and I think if you had to go to the store to buy all this, it would be very expensive. But with Mom and Dad with this garden, Dad especially, he worked hard to do this. He did it alone. They did very well.